Whoosh! Hello and welcome to my channel Backtolandandco. Today I'm here to talk to you about Humane AI Pin. Humane has officially unveiled an AI Pin, an innovative wearable infused with the powerful capability of OpenAI. This remarkable gadget is meticulously crafted to facilitate seamless communication with expansive language models, transcending the conventional suffering of application and replacing tedious typing with effortless conversation. However, the precise purpose for which this groundbreaking device is intended remains somewhat enigmatic. After a prolonged period, intriguing demonstration and subtle insinuation regarding the forthcoming era of artificial intelligence technology, Humane at long last unveiled its creation called AI Pin. This wearable AI is priced at $6.99, accompanied by a monthly fee of $24, granting you access to a phone number and a data coverage courtesy of T-Mobile extensive network. Eagerly anticipated, this ingenious creation is projected to commence shipping in early 2024 with pre-order occurring November 16, 2023. The AI Pin, fueled by enigmatic Snapdragon processor, offers a multitude of control options, including voice command, camera manipulation, and a built-in projector, weighing approximately around 34 grams, with an additional 20 grams contributed by the battery booster. A remarkable device is equipped with an 13 megapixel camera, capable of capturing both stunning photographs and following a forthcoming software update, captivating a video. But the question remains, how can you view the recorded video with the device since it doesn't have a screen? However, Humane AI, they got it figured out already. So you may ask yourself, what the heck is an AI pin? Well, it is a square apparatus with a magnetic battery pack designed to affix to an outfit or a various surface. Let's talk about the purpose. The purpose of this device is not to constantly record or listening to a specific command such as Google or Siri. Instead, however, you must manually activate it by tapping and sweeping on the touchpad, and a blinking trust light on the device indicates that it is collecting data for you and others to see. The main function of this device, known as the pin, is to connect with the AI model through a software called an AI mic. Here is a continuation of the main purpose of the device. The pin's main purpose is to establish a connection with AI models. Humane's objective with the pin is to eliminate all the unnecessary clutter from your technological device such as your iPhone, your Samsung, your LG. It will not have a complex user interface or numerous settings and account to handle. The concept is that you can effortlessly communicate with it or physically interacting with the pin, express your desire or inquiries, and it will seamlessly execute them. How cool would that be? I can only imagine. In their press release, Humane mentioned collaboration with Microsoft and OpenAI. The previous report have indicated that the pin relies heavily on GPT-4. However, Humane clarifies that access to ChatGPT is actually one of the device's key features. Its operational system, named Cosmos, is designed to automatically direct your inquiries to the appropriate tools, eliminating the need to download and manage multiple applications like you would on your regular phone. So they're trying to eliminate that. Here is the true potential of this device. It lies in its capability. This includes voice-based message and calling a convenient cash me up function for summarizing email inbox, the ability to obtain nutrition information by simply scanning a food with the device camera, and you will get a real-time translation. However, the device's main purpose appears to be that of a wearable search engine empowered by the LLM technology. Humane also plan to incorporate navigation and shopping features, as well as providing developers with tools to create their own application. I chose to review this device because we live in an exciting time where AI is becoming something of the present or something of the future, and I want to be part of the exciting moment. Hopefully, we will avoid running into what happened in Terminator Genesis. Technology is becoming more advanced, and some people benefit from it while some suffer from the consequences. In this case, hopefully the benefit outweighs the risk. Humane envisions a transformation akin to the evolution of smartphone, where enhanced hardware gradually enhances the user's experience, but the true revolution lies in the capability the device has to offer. Undoubtedly, there remains significant groundwork to be laid in this regard, but Humane exhibit a readiness to embark on this journey with unwavering determination. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.